Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. In this tutorial, we will reshape a star into a soft rounded icon using the direct selection tool. Start by creating a star shape. Now switch to the direct selection tool to reveal anchors. Click each sharp point and pull its handles outward. Repeat the process to round every star tip. Move to the inner anchors and smooth them as well. Adjust handles length for perfect curves, continuing shape until all spikes looks rounded. Zoom in and refine uneven curves. Adjust ankle positions for smoother flow. Check overall geometry for balance. Fix any distorted segment using precise handle control. Once smooth, zoom out for final evaluation. Apply